Pam in there. I love Pam, y'all. I got greens, well actually spinach. Gotta bring it down, Cut up some steak with some red onion. You know. And remember, people, you gotta wash your greens off. Wash your vegetables off. Sometimes you gotta wash your vegetables off. If they raw vegetables, you gotta wash them off. A lot of E. coli and stuff going on. I throw my eggs in there. Put my eggs in here. My bad. I had to put my eggs in there. Put my eggs in there. You like cheese? Put you some cheese in it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Don't be scared to experiment, you know. Okay. Put me some cheese up in there. Don't always go crazy on the salt because it's salt inside the cheese, you know. Mama Pearl always told me to cook with a spoon when I'm doing eggs. I try to listen to her. Mama Pearl, she always told me to use a spoon. I always used a fork. A fork kind of got. But in this case, the spoon will kind of like make it fluffy. You see it? You see how it's gonna come together. Don't worry about that over there. Don't worry about that. That's a splat. That's a splat. Don't worry about that over there. Sweetheart. Sweetheart. Don't worry. That's that young man. Don't worry about that over there, sweetheart. It's a split. It's a split. What do you say? Yeah. Little man on TikTok had me cracking that. Don't worry about that. You see my egg? Look at my eggs, baby. Yeah, I'm coming over with them. I'm coming over with them. They've done enough for me. Ah, go crazy. Good something. So boy, I'm living steak, eggs, and